can make stuff on a 3D printer. Like, it's so cool. Like, I can just shop for cool stuff and download it and send it to my printer, and it comes alive. Like magic. Awesome magic. This is so cool. Why didn't I get one of these earlier? I can make all the things. I'm gonna go do that now. I'll be right back. Hello everybody, Jen here from 3D Universe. I am sitting in my van after a couple of road trips with my Bernie buddy, who I 3D printed on my Ultimaker S3. And we have gone and visited some really beautiful beaches, some lakes, some waterfalls, a couple of cliffs. He may or may not have almost been washed out to sea a few times. But he is here safe with me, and I have noticed that while I have been taking pictures of Bernie enjoying these beautiful sights, he looks rather lonely sitting there by himself. And hello, I have a 3D printer, and I could be 3D printing my 3D printed buddy, his own 3D printed buddy. So why am I not doing that? I'm gonna go inside the house and look around on Thingiverse and see what I can find and pick him the most perfect buddy of his own so that he's not so lonely sitting there on the beach watching the sunset. And I mean, we'll all be from the same household, so we can travel together, and yeah, party bus. Yeah, I'm gonna head back in the house and start my search. Kind of like a pet finder, but not. I don't know. Bernie needs a buddy too. So I have scoured Thingiverse in search of the perfect friend for my Bernie buddy to hang out with while I am out taking pictures and he's just sitting there watching the sunset by himself. I decided on a tabletop plant fern from GrimGreeble because, hello, Bernie and Fernie, it doesn't get much cuter than that. So I am going to download this file from GrimGreeble and get started making a new buddy for our adventures, because everybody needs friends. And yeah, okay, so I am carrying around 3D printed little buddies, but I do have friends in real life sometimes. They just can't travel with me, so 3D printing it is. So I am doing magic again with my 3D printer. My Ultimaker S3 is now bringing Fernie to life, and while Bernie over there does not look that excited, trust me, he's excited. So yeah, things are happening over there. We'll take a look in a second. But for now, I've got 3 hours to kill. And I think there's cookies in the kitchen. So, see ya. Floor is cookie. So where are my shoes? Product placement is important. Fernie has come to life. That would have been way cooler if I could actually sing. I hope Fernie wants 2 weird friends, because that's about to happen. Because we all need more friends that are weird, because normal's overrated and boring. So, yeah, hope he doesn't mind. Well, as you can see, Fernie is ready to head to my painting station, and Bernie is holding in his excitement about having a new friend. He may be pouting. It's hard to tell. I have tried to reassure him that we will all do things together and I won't just leave him in the van by himself and go hang out with Fernie instead. But I'm not sure he believes me. So get over it, Bernie. So I'm gonna get to painting Fernie here so we can go on some adventures together. Do you think it's gonna eat my face off while I'm sleeping in the van? I may have made a poor choice. Painting time, painting time, painting time! You guys, I'm here in my van with our new friend Fernie and our old friend Bernie. And they're kind of adorable. It is adventure time! Let's go. Sunsets await. I'm such a dork. Aw, I knew they would be great friends. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our channel here so you can follow their upcoming adventures. For all of your 3D printing and digital fabrication needs, please visit our shop at shop3duniverse.com. And until next time, remember that if you can't make friends in real life, you can 3D print them. Stay weird, friends.